BJ with Real Property Management, and we have an office in Howard County and DC. And this page is going to be dedicated more to the Howard County and what we're looking for in Maryland. And so our office is in Columbia, and we really focus on Howard County. We'll do some of the surrounding areas, a little bit of Baltimore County, a little bit of Frederick, that kind of stuff. But this page is going to be dedicated to Howard County property landlords that are looking for information on how they can handle their rental, what's going on with their property. So you can come here, use this page for, hey, how do I evict a tenant? How do I best lease my property? What should I be looking for background checks? All that kind of stuff that happens as you manage a property. And then hopefully you'll use this as a resource. And if you have questions, you can reach out to us. But we're going to build this page out. As you'll see, there's going to be 8 different sections that you can go, and you can have some specific questions like, what do I need to do to kind of focus on tenant retention? What about doing property valuations? How often should I walk through my property and check on it to make sure the tenants are taking care of it? All the way down to how to do, again, background check screening, how to do leasing, how to do showings, and all the other questions that kind of come up as you manage a property. You know, tenant calls you at midnight, how do you handle maintenance? What do you need to do if the tenant calls you and says, hey, I've got a water leak and I need this fixed? Or what do you do about lead inspections? What's the requirements in Maryland? What's the requirement in Howard County for a rental license? So this page is going to cover all that. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, send us a message, send us an email, comment on some of these videos, and we'll do the best to answer those questions for you. But congratulations. Thanks for finding the page. If you have any questions, let us know.